guys, welcome to PC Tips Pro. So in today's video we're gonna see how to build a restaurant website. So without any technical knowledge, how can we build a website for our restaurant or your food services online? So without any delay, let's get started with the video. So here, first to build a website we need domain registration. So for this we will go to this domainracer.com. so this is very famous and it has very good services. I personally recommend you to use this domain racer. I use this for my website hosting and all, and it has very prices, and I would recommend you definitely try this domain racer. So here you will land onto this website. So here go to this web hosting. Here you go. So you can see it is most affordable web hosting. So here we have good services. You can see over here we have some plans. So this choosing of this plan completely depends upon your needs. So here we have this basic plan. So this basic plan is for those who are getting started. You just want to make it as your personal blog or your some business website. So for this you will be having only you can host single website, and you get 1 GB SSD space, and you can use up to 10 email IDs and 5 GB bandwidth and light speed technology. So it is a very good deal for you, 40% off, and you're getting this for 59 rupees per month, and it's very good deal, guys. You need to check this out. And next, if you are a web developer and if you are wishing to host with good SSD storage and all, you can go for this personal. For average size website, you can get unlimited SSD and unlimited email IDs, unlimited bandwidth, but here you can host only single website. So this comes this a silver package, which is really advisable. So you can host up to 3 websites and you get all unlimited SSD and emails and bandwidth. So for heavy traffic and multiple average traffic websites, it is really good. So its price is also quite affordable. It is 169 per month, and this is really good deal for you. So if you are a professional developer and you have good startup, so you can go with this advanced for your heavy traffic. Anyways, for this business, for your food business, for your restaurant business, it is quite useful, this silver plan. So let's go with this silver for now. So here you can choose your time span of so it is recommendable to take this 3 years. It's good. You are getting 24% off over here. So I'll just select this 3 years. So view more. Let's go into this and check out this silver plan. So here we are. So firstly we need to register with our domain name. So I will use my domain name to be my food Valia. So it's just an example, guys. You can use any domain name for this. You need to check the availability. Based on the availability and your relevancy, you can go with any domain name which is related to your business. So here you have multiple extensions of your website. So here suggestible thing is you can use this .com only, because taking these things like UK or .co.uk, these restrict you to only UK. So if you are taking with .org, then it refers to an organization, and everything completely relevant is .com, which is more natural and more which has more reach and So let's check for our domain availability. Yes, our domain which I have chosen is available, and we can register for 599 rupees. So yes, and we do have some suggestions over here. You can check out these suggestions too. So but .com is a better one for your business, food business, if you ask me. So yes, let's continue. So here we can see. So here you can you can get a detailed view of all your advantages, benefits of your silver plan. You get unlimited SSD, which we have already discussed. You get unlimited FTP, MySQL, and you get encrypting SSL as a certificate, which is really useful for your business, and light speed, uptime. So everything is here, and you get your cPanel account. So you just check out this all, check your all details and continue. So here you can see DNS management and ID protection. If you need this, you can choose this too. You get a free for 1 year. So this is too good, but it depends upon your requirement and all. So I don't select anything for now. So let's continue. So this is your offer price, 2271, and this is for domain registration. So everything is done. So let's check out. So here we need to fill all this information about you and your respective information, and then you can go for the payment details, and you can click complete order to register with your domain. So after all this, land back to our domain tracer home page. So here we have done all the domain registration, and you have taken a good plan. And then now let's log in with your email ID and your password. So I'm getting login. So here we see our dashboard. So this is where we see everything in just a short form. So yeah, let's go to our services and let's check what our services are. So here we can see one active service. So now yes, so we can see here disk usage, bandwidth usage and all. Now I would like to log into my cPanel. Here we are. So then we would like to install WordPress so that we can make our website. So scroll down and you can see here WordPress. So this is up to here, we don't need any technical skills. So and I give you a hope that after this too we don't need any technical skills. So just follow me up and you will be landing up creating a beautiful website for your restaurant business. So here we have our WordPress. So let's install WordPress. So for installing we see over here everything, version, which version, and this is our domain which we have chosen. We have chosen this, and it depends upon your requirement. And site name will be, I'll just take an example, my food shop, because it's just an example, but you can make it more creative, more innovative, and you can give any description and title. So I'll just give a description as we provide online food. Okay, it might be anything, you can keep it as some food delivery or anything. So that's up to you, I'm just taking an example. You can make it more innovative too. So here you can go with your username and password, and then it's just a sample version, guys. You can make it more precise. So here we go with our theme. So be sure that whatever theme you take, it is relevant to your so-called business. So here we are going with the restaurant business, so we would probably take some relevant thing which is to the food. So I guess this pizza box is some relevant for your restaurant, or if it is your from pizza restaurants or food delivery, anything. So this is the preview of your theme. So it looks good for me. I want to choose this, and you can see over here which is the contact page is this, and your home page will be like this, and other pages, a menu page will be like this. So this is how it looks like. I like it, and I'll select this theme. So after all this, you can click on install button. So it is getting installed. Let's wait for some time to get installed. So it is getting done. So then I would again, yes, we are here. So the installing is completed. So here we have two links. Keep a note of these two links. So first we will open this link, what we see, and this is our food shop which we have given it. So this is the name which I have given. So you can give some more innovative name, and then here you can, this is your website. It's very basic thing which we got here. We can make it very beautiful. I'll tell you how. And this is how can you visit your website, and this is the link for your website. And then it comes to be this is administrative URL, that is where you can edit your website, right? So here you have many things. You can go with plugins. You can add some new plugins which gives more themes to you, and you can use you can manage your users, and you have many tools. You can edit all your website with these tools. It is quite easy for you. Without any technical knowledge, you can customize your site. See, you can see, and you can edit your front page. You can add additional pages. You can add a blog post. You can so you can view your site over here. So everything is so cool. And if you further see this, you can go to the blog page. How do it look? And you can edit these things. So you can go for this customize button, and you can edit things. So what your name should be. So you see your food shop, and you can add your footer and your header, and you can change the colors for your website, and it's quite interesting, and you find it more beautiful. Your website will be beautiful, and this is how your website looks. And you can add many new features from this customize button, and you can add new pages, edit new pages, and you can add your media, you can add your photos, etc. So this will be quite easy for you. So now we have seen how to make a restaurant website without any technical knowledge. Literally no technical knowledge we need over here, no JavaScript, anything. So we made it today. So I hope all of you like this video, and you all the best for your food business or any business which you are willing to do. So after all, I would again show you this good website, domain racer. I personally use this every time when I want the website to be hosted, and it has very good pricing, very affordable prices, and I think you guys need definitely to try this domain racer. You would absolutely love this. And thanks for watching the video. Do like, share and subscribe to PC Tips Pro. Thank you guys.